Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In this video, I will be solving selective questions from IIT JAM Statistics paper 2018, and you will be getting more of the videos of IIT JAM stat papers in the next session. So keep checking our site and stay tuned. Now let's start with question number 29. Question number 29 gives us that X is a random sample from discrete distribution with PMF f of x theta is equals to P of capital X is equal to small x is equals to 1 by theta given x equals to 1, 2 and so on up to theta, 0 for otherwise. Now here theta belongs to 20 and 40. We are given two hypotheses, that is H0 is equals to theta is equals to 40 versus H1 to theta is equals to 20. At level of significance, alpha is equal to 0.1. We are asked to calculate the critical region. Now f of x is equals to P of capital X less than equals to small x is equals to x by theta for x equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to theta, and 0 for x less than equals to 1, also 0 for x greater than equals to 1. Now alpha is equals to 0.1 is equals to probability of rejecting H0 when H0 is true. That equals to probability of x less than equals to x0 given theta is equals to 40. This equals to 0.1 is equals to x0 by 40. That gives us x0 is equals to 4. So we can say that x less than equals to 4 is the critical region. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 35. In question number 35, we have said that P assigned same weight to each point of the sample space given by sigma is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. X denotes the number from sigma, and P of x is equal to small x is equals to 1 by 4 for each x belonging to sigma and 0 for otherwise. Now expectation of 1, 2, now E is equal to set of 1, 2, F is equal to set of 1, 3 and G is equal to set of 3, 4. So this gives us expectation E of 1, 2 is equals to P of E is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which equals to half. Also, f of 1 3 is equals to f is equals to 1 3 is equals to p of f is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to half. G is equals to set of 3 and 4 is equals to p of g is equals to half. So let's check for the first statement. The first statement is E intersection F is equals to probability of set 1 is equals to 1 by 4 is equals to half into half is equals to 1 by 4. That is equals to P of E. Let me add a page. Is equals to P of E multiplied by P of F. So, E and F are independent. Now, let's check for the next statement, that is probability of E intersection G is equal to probability of null set is equals to 0 is not equals to probability of E multiplied by probability of G. So we can say that E and G are not independent. So statement B is not correct. Now probability of F intersection G is equals to probability of 3 is equals to 1 by 4 is equals to half multiplied by half is equals to probability of F multiplied by probability of G. So F and G are also independent. F and G are independent. Now let's check for the final statement, that is probability of E intersection F intersection G is equals to probability of null set is equals to 0, that is not equals to probability of E multiplied by probability of F multiplied by probability of G. So E, F, G are not independent. E, F and G are not independent. So A and C are the correct option. A and C are the correct options. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your problems. For more videos, keep checking our site and stay tuned. Thank you.